I wish to take this opportunity, first and foremost, to thank my President, His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, who has assigned me to represent to him on this occasion. I also want to appreciate on his behalf the organizers of this event. Thank you very much for, first of all, recognizing my President contribution around the issues of the world. So I wish to conclude by thanking the organizers of this forum and the government and the people of the Arab United Emirates for having hosted us, and we look forward that out of this we shall work together. And I use this opportunity to invite all business people to come and invest in Uganda, because Uganda is a uniquely endowed country around the world.